The light show we had overnight in the area. You can see some of those strikes popping up over downtown Pittsburgh and the North Shore. Aside from strong winds and rain, the skies were bright with lightning, as you can see. And this was long before the actual rain arrived. We started to see some of that lightning popping up. Really something to see.
Well, in fact, all night, whenever I was getting ready in the middle of the night, you could hear the thunder outside, and you started to wonder, what are we in store for? In fact, Ron came in very early this morning to track all of this, and some areas have seen some severe weather.
Yeah, so break this down, and what are we expecting in the coming hours, Ron?
Well, we do have some good news there. It looks like our best, or the greatest chance, the highest chance for severe weather has now come and gone. We never like to see severe weather, so that is certainly some good news. We'll point out, look at all of this lightning that is occurring and being detected. 600 strikes over the last 15 minutes coming in. You can see a lot of that is fresh, developing up just to the south of the Akron area right now. This is an area we're going to watch closely. You see those yellows there? We still do have a chance, especially from Pittsburgh to the south, to see some strong wind speeds and some wind gusts. That being the case, our severe thunderstorm threat is now way down from where it was looking like just a few hours ago. This is going to be most likely, it really looks like the last push, and most of this should be rain showers coming through. So we're finally getting at least a little activity right there. Now, model data, this is switching over to model data right now. It's not going to show much over the next few hours. Maybe a thunderstorm here or there, some lightning, little downpour will be possible, mainly again from Pittsburgh to the south over the course of the rest of the morning hour. Certainly some good news there. We do want you to be weather aware for the rest of the day, but overall it is looking certainly pretty good right now. I was trying to show you the next couple of days there, and I'll get that corrected when it comes to our rain chances. Where rain chances are now down for the rest of the day today, all of our rain should be here before 10 o'clock. Rest of the day is looking dry. We will actually have on Wednesday and on Thursday some brief rain chances. On Wednesday, it looks like our rain chance comes in really kind of first thing in the morning, and this will be best chance at least from Pittsburgh to the west is what it looks like at this point. Some rain showers just kind of dropping in. Some strong wind speeds will once again be possible as that comes through, and then we also will have another round of rain. Now, it's really interesting at this point. We know that the atmosphere is primed, and this is one of the first, this data that I was just showing you has changed just a little bit. That's what's going to be happening over the course of the next couple of days. We know that there's going to be a rain chance. We think it can be in one spot or another, but things from model to model run are going to change because these aren't those normal fronts that we see that come in. These are due to the possibility, or the reason that we're seeing this is because we have the jet stream in place, and we could see potentially big cold air that falls to the surface. Once that happens, we get thunderstorms out of that. It's very hard to say exactly when those are going to happen, when they're going to occur. So we do see model run to model run some big changes there. A lot of times at this point, we just like to talk about probabilities because of that. The difficulty in timing out these storms, similar to what we saw today. Hey, it's 67 right now. It's cloudy outside. Here's a look at temperature, 67, 69 in the Cranberry area. Most places right around the 70-degree mark. High temperatures. Today I have us at 86. Look at Wednesday, 90 degrees the expected high on Wednesday. High temperatures today, generally into the mid-80s. I will say model data is still showing us into the low 80s. The reason they're doing that is because they continue with the rain chance this afternoon. It looks like we'll be dry. As long as we are, we'll be into the mid to upper 80s. 90 your Wednesday high, 89 on Thursday. Not as warm as we're heading into the weekend with highs just in the 70s.
Yeah, a little bit of a cool down. Thanks, Ron.